It's okay. She's got to put the code in.
Where's our code?
Right here. I'm going to put it in.
Happy Halloween!
It's not Halloween yet. It's tomorrow. Ready? Hold your window up.
I gotta go. It's starting.
Go, go, go.
You better hurry. Lemon's crying.
Here we go.
Washing under the car.
I want to watch out tall.
All right, Kaylee.
Hey, that's rude. Excuse me.
Whoa.
That's it.
Don't make me spill my drink.
Why is it not working? What did I do wrong?
Nothing.
Oh, it
Here it
does.
comes. Is it gonna do anything up there? Why does it seem like my thing is so zoomed in? Oh, there it goes.
It's raining. It's
so
pouring.
I always feel like the car's moving when we're in one of
Yeah,
I know.
man, it's not. Wait, is it soap?
these. Where is it soap? It's
Oh my gosh! I can't see.
That's because of the soap. It's been in the car.
It's pink.
This is the only reason I've ever wanted a sunroof. You realize that, right?
Oh, look. I want to watch up top.
It's pink. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's pink.
Depends on the color of the
It's pink.
soap they use.
We're moving. How?
No, we're not moving. It just feels like we're moving.
What?
All the sap off the car.
Dude, it looks like we're moving. Why are you driving? Oh, dude. This is so cool.
Whoa, dude, she said. You do realize that we have such a sad life that going through car washes are
I
fun.
don't know.
I wish we could get out and get wet.
No.
It's very, very, very hot. It would burn you.
Is it burning in the car?
Look, your window already looks way better.
So a little spot on the back, it didn't clean, a little bitty spot down there, and then this spot right there. Maybe it'll get it on the way back.
Oh my god. Only you would notice the little spots.
Is he drying the car
I don't know.
off? Is he drying?
It is clear coat.
What?
Clear coat.
What's that? Okay, this way get out of here. What is square code? It's raining on the car. Oh, poor car wash. It's crying. Why is it crying?
You say it's raining in the car wash? You didn't get all y'all.
Is that rain? It said rain.
Renton, I think we're done. Maybe not.
No, we got to dry it.
No, I didn't get to dry.
We can't.
No, maybe I did. No, it's telling me to drive.
It says drive.
Okay, we're done.
I can't believe you didn't pay for a dry. Now we're gonna go out and have
I
all the little dots on our car.
I should have paid for the drive, but I bought the cheap
How did
car.
I even do that? They
I'm a
forgot
cheap girl.
something. The tornado stuff.
I didn't pay for that because it was like $3 more, and I'm cheap. Sorry. I just paid for the $5 one.
Okay, well that was our car wash
We're gonna park
experience.
now.
Yes, we're going to the park now.
One more babies.
Good morning.
No. Yes.
But today, she has a dentist appointment. Yeah, I know, right? It's for her fillings.
Bunny teeth. You have bunny teeth.
It's for her fillings, and if they weren't permanent teeth, we could have held off a little longer. But they're permanent teeth, and the longer you wait, the harder it gets. So we're gonna brush her teeth. And
okay, good morning, Papa Tutti.
And then our grandma's gonna come get her to take her to
the dentist office.
To the dentist to get them done.
Dentist office. They're gonna give me teeth fixed. La 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 la. Ooh,
Hold it.
ta-da. Ooh. Hi, la 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 la. Chicka boo, ooh, chicka boo, ooh, chicka boo, ooh.
Which one's yours? Do you have one?
Yeah,
These new.
I have a purple one.
Oh, the purple one. Hold the camera.
Huh? Apple breakfast, apple breakfast, apple. Apple for more babies. Here's our banana.
Okay, we got her teeth brushed. Smile. And her mouth says, oh, good. No more morning breath. Now we just gotta wait for her ride. So we're just gonna, she can't have anything to eat or drink. So we're just gonna watch Daniel Tiger until time for her. So I just talked to my grandma. She said that Kaylee is doing fine. She's asleep. She was going to have surgery on her mouth, so she's asleep. And it started out with one, but they just came back and talked to her, and they found 2 more to do. And they were afraid that she'd have to come back and do them, but they think that they can do it all at one time, and they're pretty sure. And they're just now starting on it. Her appointment was at 10, and it's 11:45. So between they have to give her the medicine, and then they have to wait 30 minutes after they give her the medicine, and then they have to put her to sleep, and it's a big mess. But she is doing fine, and I will let you guys know when she gets back. Haley's home from the dentist.
I've got it open.
She did good. How you feeling?
Good.
She's actually feeling pretty good, so that is a good thing, right? Alright, now she's watching Cat in the Hat, and she's playing with it. Here, show us. Show me. She's got this little bunny. Cool. Alright. So she just
Bye-bye.
Okay, so Gracie's home from school.
And some reason it's Halloween.
Oh, she's eating her Halloween candy. And there's Kaylee.
Happy Halloween.
And guess what we're watching? Okay, yesterday was Halloween. We still have Thanksgiving. We still have Kaylee's birthday. And we still have my birthday. Before Christmas. And we were just like, we're so ready for Christmas now. And we're really, really ready for Christmas. And who was it? Who was it that said, let's put our tree up? Kaylee goes, I'm ready to put our tree up. And I was like, so am I. And guess what we're watching?
Halloween family time.
No.
Christmas bird time Halloween.
Yeah, we're watching this Shades Hard Christmas. I think it's 2014.
Chicken House Roof Shack.
And Mom will be here soon. Am I really zoomed in on me? Probably, because I just zoomed in on TV.
Can I tell you something?
Sure.
Some reason, my mom said, wait, what? Alright, I forgot.
Okay.
Imagine the top.
Hope is at Mom will be here soon with her. Your student's raising her hair.
Yes. What is this? That is a lock. It's been mine forever. Can I keep this new seat? Yeah. That's your seat. Yes. It's my snack time. Okay, where did you put the snack? It's in my locker. Unlock it. Okay, no fair. Why did he need to get his snack? No fair. Why did he need to get his snack? Because he has a temperature on his back little tap.
It's so cute. All day, Kaylee has said, "When's Gracie getting home?" Because Hope has practice, and she's like, "When's Gracie getting home? I want to play school. I want someone to be my student." And it was so cute because I guess I tried to play with her, but I wasn't good enough or something. I don't know. But all day she's, "Where's Gracie? When's Gracie getting home?" So now they're playing school. It's really cute.
Oh. I better hurry before I see. I wrote in my planner, and it says